Namaskar everyone. So today I'm here again with a new video, and that is on procrastination. I'm sure all of you know what is called procrastination. So let me give a small detail about that. So procrastination is a process actually in which we avoid doing some works or activities. हम खुद को क्या करते हैं, रोक देते हैं वो काम करने के लिए, and we make different bahana, I could say. We make different causes. We like अभी कर लेंगे, बाद में कर लेंगे, I am not well, I will do it later, in that way. So it is mainly the process to delay or avoid to do some work or activity. So why does this procrastination occur? What are the causes? And let me tell you, this is a very common process. सबके साथ होता है, मेरे साथ भी होता है. But in my all of my videos, what I used to say that it's in our hand only. We are the only one who can make difference. Okay, so प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन जो प्रोसेस है वो जो जितना भी आपके लिए हार्मफुल है, बट यू आर द ओनली वन who can take out yourself from that particular phase. Okay, so what are the reasons or causes? क्या हो सकते हैं? So there are many researches has been done. बहुत सारी researchers ने research किया है कि why do we procrastinate. So in most of the cases what happens, the thing or the activity which we don't have that much of interest to do, or हमें लगता है we make a notion that may impact, give a negative impact if I do that. That may not give a negative impact or consequence, but what we do, we start to think. हम अपने में ही वो बना लेते हैं कि that may cause a negative impact or consequence, and for these only we start to procrastinate that activity or that thing. Okay, and in most of the cases students start doing procrastinating. Okay, the reason is that they don't want to maybe they don't want to do or complete that any particular task or project, and at the 11th hour, like at the end of the time given to them, at the end of the deadline, they start doing that work. And तब क्या होता है in that जब लास्ट में हम स्टार्ट करते हैं कोई काम, what happens, the things doesn't go well. बहुत हड़बड़ी में काम करते हैं आप, then what happens, जैसे आप चाहते हैं वैसे काम होता नहीं है. Okay, so causes may be different causes, as I have told you. There are some other causes also. Okay, like mostly जो important causes हैं, these are the causes, but we think like this may not work, the consequence may be negative. Okay, and you are not getting interest in doing that thing. So these are the causes why we used to procrastinate. Now how we can overcome, or how we can take out ourselves from this phase of procrastination, जो कि मैंने कहा बहुत ही कॉमन चीज़ है procrastination. But if टू सम एक्सटेंट जो भी चीज़ें कॉमन है, लेकिन हम उसको ज़्यादा अगर खींच लेते हैं, देन दैट बिकम्स अ मेजर इशू in your workplace also. Maybe that can create an imbalance. Okay, and for students also in your school or college also, it may create bit of imbalance situation. Okay, so how can we cope up with this procrastination? So what I would suggest, try to make a to-do list, जिसमें जो चीज़ें आपको करना ही है, you have to do this, you make a list of that, and then check on that list. Okay, and then next step what you can do, try to identify the trigger where this particular situation is starting, procrastination कहाँ start हो रहा है, इसलिए इसमें try to find out the those activities or those tasks which you are going to do, and then टिक द ट्रिगर सिचुएशन कि कहाँ मुझे वो चीज़ें अंदर आ रही है कि आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डू दैट थिंग, और यू आर डिलेइंग दैट थिंग एक्चुअली. एंड देन gradually what will happen, you will come to know कि these are the areas which I need to work. Okay, in that way gradually you can this is you only who can help yourself. So following some simple steps you can come out from that procrastination thing. Okay, and that will help you in many ways to sort out your different tasks, to lead a stress-free life. Okay, and after doing all the work you will definitely pat yourself. Okay, pat yourself that I have done the good job. So it's upon you only who can make the difference. So get up, do the right thing, and try to avoid negative thinking, and this procrastination thing will not appear in your, no, I will not say that this will not appear, but frequent basis pe it will not be a part of your life. So for that you have to work for yourself. Okay, take care, bye bye, thank you, namaskar.